Welcome back to the channel, obviously. Thanks for watching. The Merc has failed its MOT, not horrendously. There's a couple issues still with the hissing noise on the brake pedal, so we need to have a look at that, see what's going on with there. But it's just failed on some bulbs and the side lights. Well, the side repeaters, they failed. Well, crusty and dusty basically. And the indicators at the front are clear where they should be orange. Luckily, we've got the old Bimmer bulbs that I bought, so hopefully they'll fit. So we'll get them fitted and then we'll repair the side repeaters when the parts turn up. Then yeah, I'll show you the MOT failure now. You can see they're pretty clear, no real orange on them, literally no orange. Missing and basically missing too. They'll need to be repaired, we'll get them done. You can't really see it, but it looks like there's decent space to be there, yeah. Oh, that's a bit better. Come on now, come on camera, zoom. I've got to figure out which one's which. One crusty and dusty bulb on the driver's side. I promise in there, you can see it there, vaguely. Passenger side, crusty and dusty one. I'm going to replace it with the LED ones because that's all I've got at the minute. Second bulb is in there. Let's give them a go, see if they work. New LED ones. New LED ones. Cut up looking on. Alright, let's get these ones out. That is crusty and dusty. Let's go check the other side. The other side, less crusty and dusty. That one should just pop out though, so I'm not overly worried about that one. It's glued back in, so there we go. I might just leave that as it is there for now. That should just pop in and pop out nicely. Well guys, the side repeaters are here. Let's break into it, have a little look at what we've got. This is the old box it come in. There we go. Made in China, but this is to be fair, this is the only one we could get. Merc have discontinued it, so I couldn't actually get genuine ones, but I'll break into the box now. So this is them. They go in for the 501 bulb, but they are LEDs. But we are still waiting on the new bulb holder and wires so we can fix out the crustiness. So we need to rewire them. I was originally trying to go for tinted ones, but I picked the wrong listing. But these will do fine and dandy. So we shall fit them, make sure that they work fine, and then hopefully get the old ML back on the road, back in the box, ready to go and be put onto the ML. Crusty and dusty. Okay, and then we've got the new one. We have to sand it down a little bit, but it will work because Merc don't make them anymore. That is how we've jerry-rigged it. The old bulb holder for the other side. This is what we used to use the first one. So we're going to use this again, and then hopefully we'll have a working side repeaters. Other side ready. So guys, we've got the lights all working around. I'll show you this quickly now so you can have a little look. So we've got the front indicators working again, and the side repeaters have all been fixed. New one, new bulb, new one, and new bulb. Well, new bulb and new light unit. Thanks for watching guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.